I want to talk briefly about when it is safe to be using pesticides, algicides, fungicides, herbicides. My advice is, and the advice on your safety data sheet and your label will instruct you, never use pesticides on a windy day, because pesticides can blow on to others, they can blow on to children, they can blow on to civilians, they can blow back onto you. Make sure you have your personal protective equipment on. And also, it is very important to know, never use pesticides where children might be present or the residue of pesticides will be. Our central nervous system is as grown up as it's ever going to be. However, with children, small, insignificant amounts of pesticides can affect a child's growing central nervous system. It potentially could cause in a fetus or a small child autism or learning disabilities, or even something much worse. Be sure you're safe, using your pesticides safe. When you do use pesticides, think about the surrounding area. Surround that area with barrier tape or road cones to keep civilians out.